Booking flights online seems simple, but with so many platforms out there, how do you know which one is actually reliable and easy to use? I tried Orbitz extensively, and here's my honest experience. Most people get this wrong. They assume all flight booking platforms are the same, but Orbitz has its own strengths and weaknesses. First off, the search function is fast and intuitive. You can filter by airline, price, departure time, duration, and even by refundable fares. That makes it easy to find exactly what you need without scrolling endlessly. The booking process is straightforward. You select your flights, enter your details, and Orbit shows you a summary before confirming. They even offer options for hotels, rental cars, and travel insurance in one place. This makes it convenient if you want to plan your entire trip in a single session. One thing that stood out is Orbit's rewards. Every booking earns Orbix, which you can redeem for discounts on hotels or future flights. If you travel frequently, these rewards can really add up over time. The surprising truth is that Orbitz doesn't always show the absolute lowest fares compared to airline websites or other aggregators like Skyscanner. However, the convenience of having everything in one platform and the loyalty rewards often outweigh slightly cheaper options elsewhere. Customer support is decent. If you need to change a booking, Orbitz has a 24/7 line and live chat. I tried modifying a flight, and the process was smooth, though sometimes wait times can be a bit long during peak travel periods. In conclusion, Orbitz is a solid platform for booking flights, especially if you value ease of use, rewards, and bundled travel options. It may not always beat every airline fare, but the convenience and rewards program make it worth considering for frequent travelers. Subscribe for more honest travel platform reviews and tips to save money and time on your next trip.